In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Showtime subscription on Roku. Step 1. Roku device cancellation. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Use the arrows to highlight the Showtime app or channel, but do not open it. Press the start button to open the channel options. Select Manage Subscription and then select Turn off Auto Renew or Cancel Subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm and finalize your cancellation. You can also cancel via the Roku website. Go to my.roku.com on a computer or smartphone browser. Sign into your Roku account. Click Manage your subscriptions under Account Settings. Find Showtime in the active subscriptions list. Click on Manage Subscription and then turn off Auto Renew or Cancel Subscription. Step 3. Confirmation and access. You will receive a confirmation email for cancellation. Your subscription will remain active until the end of your billing cycle. Step 4. Check your billing source. If Showtime doesn't appear in your Roku subscriptions, cancel directly via Showtime, Apple, Amazon, or wherever you purchased the subscription. Now I have some tips and notes for you. Removing the app from your device does not cancel billing. Roku does not refund unused time for cancellations mid-cycle. Contact Roku or Showtime support if you have trouble with cancellation. And that is how you cancel your Showtime subscription on Roku. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.